Okwima. N'obodo anyị nọ. Asim n'obodo anyị nọ ịbụ Israel. Sometimes, let me just explain this in English. It's hard to tell people the truth. The lifespan in Israel is 6 years. Let me be honest with you. You may not like what I want to say, or you may not like what I'm saying. The lifespan in Israel is 6 years. After you may have stayed in Israel after 6 years, some people stay 6 years. After 6 years, they may have killed our paper. I said it boldly. When they killed your paper, the next thing you start looking for a woman. Right? You start looking for a woman. And the advice I want to give for those of you who are looking for a woman in Israel is, you are looking for the white ladies, is if you want to catch monkey, you have to play like a monkey. You see, relationship is very hard. Whether you are white, black, or Indians. You know, two different people that come from different backgrounds, they are hard to live with each other. Even families are hard to stay with, even if you are twins. But what am I going to tell you now is this. Advice I'm going to give you is, play wisely. Some people will say, why are you saying this? There are some things you don't say on air. Look, let me tell you, let me use another scenario. Some times ago, I was talking about American embassies, the things you got to do to get visa in embassies. Somebody was saying, no, you don't have to say it on air. Look, even American embassy that you go to get visa, they know we are all racketing. They know the original. All you got to do is compose yourself, and they know this thing is fake, and they are going to give it to you. They're going to give you visa. That is the honest truth. That one aside. If you're marrying a foreigner in Israel, remember that when you start having calamities with your wife or your life partner to say, and you have babies, it takes you another 18 years to go out of Israel if you have babies. The Israel will hold you for complete 18 years. And remember, if you have 2 children, all your children must be 18 years and go to army. Once you start having problem with the mothers, the advice what I go give you now, many people they go marry. I'm not saying that you guys should not marry white too. This is my own opinion. My own opinion is, if you not they marry white, make una they try let the woman know, say, come, there is life beyond Israel. If you get this permit, where did they talk about? Make una come out together, go outside Israel and hustle. If you want to be Israel citizen, it go easy for you to hustle from outside to Israel. Like when you are in America or Canada, una go find money to buy house in Israel. That is my opinion. The two of you as husband and wife, you will fund money, buy a house in Israel. Within 15 years, una go don't double pay the money finish. That is my opinion. I don't mean to offend any one of you who have married to a woman in Israel. We all smile and pretend on the street that everything is okay. We be man, we be problem to the women. Them will be women, they are problem to us because we misunderstood each other vividly at all time. But it's more harder if you are a foreigner in a foreign land and you married that foreigner in that land. They take advantage of you like a foreigner. They treat you, the interior may not want them to give you papers and all that. Me, I'm that kind of person who don't care about life. I tell the truth and I don't care. Like I said before, if you marry in Israel as a black man, yes, because I'm a black, I'm talking to the white community. Try to move away from Israel. You see, the people, the billionaires in Israel make money from the outside. Those that are billionaires in Israel, go and find their history. They make money from the outside. Before they become billionaires. If you want to become Israeli citizen, go hustle outside. Go and hustle outside with your wife. Make sure you find a genuine love. Genuine love. So that you people can go together to Canada, America, and Europe, and hustle, put hands together. Because look, in Israel it's gonna be hard for you to get a house. You see, getting a roof in your head when you are like 60, 65 years old, 70, man, if you don't have a roof on your head, that's a problem. That's advice I have for you guys. Peace. Please do not forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Solomon Okereke Vlog on YouTube. Peace. Shabbat Shalom.